I'm Michelle McIntosh. I work for a company called FirePro Solutions, which my husband Stuart and I founded 18 years ago. We work in the Greater Sydney area and regional New South Wales. Our core business is routine inspection and testing of fire safety equipment. We also do corrective and reactive maintenance as well, and also installation project. We've been working with an implementation partner now for 8 months, and we've actually taken out all employee licenses for Zoho One. We're pretty motivated to try and integrate everything in Zoho One, which is challenging being the fire industry. Got AS 1851 compliance that we need to adhere to. Some of the power that we've been able to unleash is in the CRM space, getting off spreadsheets and things like that. Inventory management. We're also looking at, we've been using Creator as well to help us with property management of customers' asset. Also using KeyPay, which is Employment Hero. And I understand there's going to be some integration coming in soon with Zoho People. We have a field team of technicians working all over the Greater Sydney area. So one of the great benefits we've found with using inventory management is being able to track our stock from our main warehouse onto each mobile vehicle, which are actually sub-warehouses, and being able to do stock takes of all of that, giving us visibility of real-time inventory. We've been able to explore different options for extending the CRM. So one of the things that we needed to do was to be able to very easily, in a tabular form, be able to view our property management information for customers. So technicians, when they're on site, they can bring up their Zoho app, go into the property database and view at any stage who the main contacts are, access requirements, induction requirements, property-related asset information. So it's very, very powerful from the integration aspect. Another great thing too is just, we're really passionate about being completely integrated in one platform. So Zoho offers just so many possibilities for that, and also cost savings, which is another big benefit.